Welcome to Andro Indian. In this video, we explore the true purpose and evolving scope of project management in today's dynamic landscape. In an era of rapid digital transformation, mastering the discipline of project management is no longer optional, it's the bedrock of success. Project management is more than just managing timelines and budgets. It is a structured discipline that converts high-level strategy into measurable results. A strong framework provides the necessary governance, accountability, and a shared language across diverse teams. These principles apply across every industry, from heavy construction and civil engineering to complex digital transformations. The journey begins with initiation. This is where we define the project at a broad level and secure necessary authorizations. In the Indian context, this means aligning project goals with organizational vision right from the start. Next comes planning, the most critical phase. Here, we create a roadmap that includes every task, milestone, and resource. For projects like logistics or VTS, meticulous planning ensures that every moving part is tracked and optimized. Execution is where the plan comes to life. It's about managing people, processes, and expectations to deliver quality output. Whether it's a Flutter app or an AI tool, execution requires disciplined coordination and real-time problem-solving. Monitoring and controlling happens alongside execution. We track progress to ensure everything stays on schedule and within budget. Regular audits and quality checks prevent scope creep and keep the project aligned with its original purpose. Closing is more than just finishing. It involves final handovers, documenting lessons learned, and celebrating the team's success. Successful closure ensures that all project deliverables are met and the client is satisfied. Effective governance ensures decisions are transparent and responsibilities are clearly defined throughout the life cycle. This transparency builds trust with stakeholders and maintains high ethical standards in every project. Clearly defined roles improve collaboration and reduce operational ambiguity within the project team. Modern project management often adopts agile methodologies, allowing for iterative progress and rapid adaptation to change. Scrum and Kanban help teams visualize their workflow and continuously deliver value to the business. Artificial intelligence is now revolutionizing project management by automating routine tasks and predicting potential risks. With predictive analytics, project managers can anticipate bottlenecks before they happen, ensuring smoother execution. Large-scale initiatives like Digital India showcase the power of effective project management on a national level. Risk management is about identifying potential hurdles early and having mitigation plans ready to keep the project on track. It requires a proactive mindset and the ability to navigate challenges without losing sight of the project's goal. Clear and consistent communication with stakeholders is often the difference between a project's success and failure. In today's hybrid world, virtual collaboration tools are essential for keeping global teams aligned and productive. To summarize, project management is the bridge between a vision and its successful realization through structure and governance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Andro Indian for more insights into technology and management. Visit androindian.com to learn more. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.